wants it gone. Michael I. James now live.
Ken Larson, ABO Bank? Great! This is the place, guys! Start bringing it in! Nice place. Lots of room. You're gonna need it. So your aircraft lease contracts are up. You know, on the aircraft that you've been leasing to your clients. And now we're returning your aircraft to you, along with your flight logs, aircraft records, ownership documents in triplicate, battery, brakes. That, I don't know what that is, but it looked important, so we brought it anyway. An autopilot and propellers.
Are you in aircraft financing? Are the contracts up on aircraft you lease to your clients? Don't get stuck dealing with the details on your day off when you should be relaxing in your bathrobe.
Too late.
Call C&L Aviation Group, your one-stop solution for aircraft services. We're a full-service MRO for regional aircraft, specialising in sales, leasing and remarketing, plus aircraft management, importing and exporting aircraft and performing records audits, with parking and storage, even teardown service. Don't get stuck with your aircraft.
Like you did.
Call C&L Aviation Group.
So, we just left your plane parked right out front. You have a good day now, sir. It's kinda in the street, 'cause it's a plane, and it's big. It's sort of in your neighbor's driveway, too. Really did a number on those bushes.
Honey, why is there a giant plane parked in my rose bushes?